guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new GBFKE unboxing, unbagging, the never-ending bag of goodies. So let's grab something at random and see what we get. So you guys, I'm excited because this is like a surprise for me because it's been so long since I've ordered these, and they've been sitting in my room for a very long time. So this is folded over something. Oh, let me see. I see 9 colors. Oh, this is a partial drill. I did not realize this was a partial drill. There's hardly anything to diamond paint here. Look at that. That's so funny. Hang on. Let me turn it backward. When I ordered this, I don't think I realized it was a little partial. And my gosh, look at that thumbnail. How beautiful. So what we're getting is nothing like what you see in the thumbnail. But because the background is just painted on and it's not diamond painted, it might look good when it's done. You don't know. You know, who knows? But I must have been in a partial drill mood when I ordered these. So this is item, oh, now I'm all messed up. Hang on. This is item L691. There are 9 colors. As you can see, it's a teeny tiny partial drill. It's got the green boat, red wax, pink pen. It's only the sailboat itself is the diamond painted portion. And it's got a pretty okay stick. Just want to make sure that's covered so it doesn't dry out. And the background is really beautiful. Like, that is gorgeous. So I'm learning how to do landscape painting. I would love to paint this. Like, I could probably get the colors right, but I don't know if I could do these waves. Aren't they? I would love to be able to paint this. Maybe one day. But anyway, there are only 9 colors, and they're just regular drills, so we're not going to take a look at them. But as you can see, they're just all in the earth tone colors, because we're just basically diamond painting the ship, and the only bright colors are up in the flag. Well, I guess yellow is a bright color. And yeah, the kit is just the regular green boat, red wax, pink pen. And let me see what I paid for this, not knowing that I was ordering a partial. Yeah, when I ordered this, I didn't realize I was ordering a partial. I wouldn't have got it. It's $4.45. I do not think... Okay, $4.45 is cheap. That's not a lot of money. But you can get a real full-size diamond painting for that same price. That's not a partial drill. So to me, I would rather spend that money and get a full drill. But this is really pretty, and I will leave it out. It will be something fast to do that, you know, sometimes you just want something fast just to get something done. So it'll be good for that. And I do think the background is really beautiful. And this will probably be really pretty once it's done. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all I have to really say about this one. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell. And thank you for being here with me. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. And most importantly of all, you guys, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye.